the back of the church of a broken people. Listen to the walking wounded tell their stories. My turn came and I told them my name. I said, this ain't my first time. Then a man started talking about the devil and the bottle was ruining my life. Last night on my breath, I stood up and said, it ain't the whiskey, it ain't the cigarettes, it ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard time, it ain't the all night, it ain't that easy. It ain't the whiskey that's killing me.
Witche manadu, daga we duka wishin. We ni ji, not a good a wonderman. Ji o dappen a man and nu the gashki katosewan. Ji anji sadoyan. Ji de apichi de ayan. Ji anji sadoyan. The gashki katoyan. Day apachit na buakayan. It came the man, oh no. Watch get you money. Watch. There's an dawi egg. Anama egg. The Serenity Prayer.
It ain't the whiskey. It ain't the cigarette. It ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard time, and it ain't the all night. No, it ain't that easy. And it ain't the whiskey that's killing me. That's killing me. That's killing me. It ain't the whiskey. It ain't the whiskey. Oh. That was great, Mike. BOOZHOO.
Nice.
Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and with me today, of course, Mr. Nana BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
And also we have the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say
BOOZHOO, Gakina.
And today's Ojibwe word of the day.
Oh.
What do you guys think? Nana BOOZHOO, you got an Ojibwe word of the day for us?
How about we do Leech Lake?
Oh, that's a good
like
one.
a squad Jamaica. Leech Lake. This is your Ojibwe word of the day. Hey, and you can sing that song.
Yeah.
Want to do the Leech Lake song?
Do it.
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. This is Yazagi Squad Jamaica. An original song in the Ojibwe language.
So I wrote a song about Leech Lake, how to say it in Ojibwe. Gazag Squad Jamaica, Gazag Squad Jamaica. It's fun when you sing it. Now Natasha's gonna bring it. Gazag Squad Jamaica, 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 Gazag Squad Jamaica.
Squaw, Jamaica. Leech Lake.
Oh.
Gazakasquad, Jamaica. Leech Lake. Gazakasquad, Jamaica is Leech Lake. And finally, to close out the show, I don't know. What do you guys think?
Oh, another Kiss tune?
Yeah, let's do a Kiss song. I always want to do Kiss.
Do the encore.
Rock and roll all night, party every day.
You show us everything you've got. Keep on dancing and the room gets hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. And you say you wanna go for a spin. I'll just be going let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. What? I wanna rock and roll all night. Party every day.
What, every day? Way to live.
Nah, let's not do that. Okay. You know what? We didn't do a BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO theme. To close out the show, this is the BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO theme song. One of them. And I want to say thank you for watching BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO. Miigwech, Ganawabi Yeg, BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO. Welcome to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language.
What happened?
Yikes. The thing just shut off. That's sort of anticlimactic.
Yeah,
See you later.
Gigawabaman, Minawa. Oh, brother.